Hey, you seen this kid?
What? Get that out of my face.
What about this kid?
No. You got some grandkids or something?
Grandkids? I'll have you know I'm a very vibrant 23-year-old.
Uh-huh, sure. Why don't you prove it on that piece of crap penny of yours?
Yeah.
Challenge accepted.
How you like them skills, candy pants?
Oh yeah, I got this. How about that, Grandpa?
Small moves, kid. I guess you'll win. Is that the ice cream truck over there?
Ice cream?
That's you. Oh, huh?
Oh, yeah. Stealing my lines, man.
Take 7.
You like that, Grandpa?
Small moves, kid. Guess you'll win. Hey, is the idea Grandpa? Sorry.
Is that the ice cream puck? Ice cream puff?
Sorry.
Ice cream puff?
I heard the ice cream.
I wasn't even thinking what I was saying. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take 9.
Okay.